Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kiraj Jhamtani and today's topic is Geometric Progression Part 1. In this chapter we are going to study what is geometric progression, that is the introduction of GP, general term of the GP, selection of terms in GP, sum to n terms of the GP, sum of an infinite term of the GP, insertion of geometric means, properties of geometric progression. In part 1, we will be discussing introduction and general term of the GP. Coming on to the introduction. So, a sequence of non-zero numbers is called geometric progressions if the ratio of the term and the term preceding to it is always a constant quantity. For example, if I have written over here 4, 12, 36, 108 and so on. So, if we look over here 4, this is first term, that is A1, 12 is the second term, 36 third term, 108 fourth term. So, a sequence of non-zero numbers is geometric progression if ratio of the term and the term preceding to it, like if I write over here A2 by A1. So, I will get 12 by 4 which is 3. Again A3 by A2 which is 36 by 12, it is again 3. So, over here when we see second term divided by first term is always coming to be same. So, when the ratio of the sequence is same, we call it as a geometric progression. Similarly, A4 upon A3 will be 108 by 36 which is 3. So, the concept is a series in which ratio is same, that is geometric progression. Earlier we discussed series in which difference was same, that was arithmetic progression. Now over here we are going to study about geometric progression. So, as we know, let us suppose I am provided with a series A1, A2, A3, A4, and if this series is in GP, so obviously the ratio will be same, that ratio is denoted by R. So, now when we have to find the general term of the GP, that general term is indicated by AN and AN is equals to A R ki power n minus 1. Thus, when we will write n is equals to 1, we will get first term. So, first term will be A1 is equals to A into R ki power 1 minus 1, which will come to be A into R ki power 0, R ki power 0 is 1 only. So, it will come out to be A1 is equals to A. Similarly, when we are writing n is equals to 2, that means A2 means A R ki power 2 minus 1. So, A2 comes out to be AR. If we are writing n is equals to 3, we will be getting third term. So, third term is indicated by A R ki power 3 minus 1. This is AR square. So, the question is find ninth term and general term of the progression. The progression is given 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. If we see over here, second term divided by first term is minus 2. So, value of R is minus 2. A is the first term which is 1 by 4. We have to calculate A9. A9 is given by A into R ki power 9 minus 1, which is written as A into R ki power 8. Value of A is 1 by 4. R is minus 2 ki power 8. Thus, on solving this, we will get 64. Now, we have to calculate general term. So, general term AN is given by A into R ki power n minus 1. Value of A is 1 by 4. R is minus 2 ki power n minus 1. So, this is how we can calculate general term of the AP. Coming on to next question. Next question is which term of the GP 5, 10, 20, 40 is 5120. That means this is the last term an, and a is already given to us, which is 5, and r is second term divided by first term, which is 2. Now putting the general term formula only, an is a into r ki power n minus 1. Thus we will get 5120 5 into 2 ki power n minus 1. So when we will divide this 5 over here, so we will get 1024, which is equals to 2 ki power n minus 1. 1024 can be written as 2 ki power 10. This is equals to 2 ki power n minus 1. Since the bases are equal, so the powers will be equal. N minus 1 can be written as 10. The value of n will come out to be 11. Thus we can say 11th term of the GP is 5120. Coming on to next question. Next question is third term of the GP is 4. So we have to calculate the product of its first 5 terms. Third term, that means we are provided with A3, that is 4. So when we will apply formula over here, we will get A into R square, applying the general term formula only. A into R square will get out to be 4. Now they are telling us to calculate first 5 terms. So the first 5 terms are A1, product of first 5 terms, A1 into A2 into A3 into A4 into A5. So A1 is written as A, A2 is written as AR, A3 is written as AR square, A4 is written as AR cube, and A5 is written as AR ki power 4. When we will multiply it, we will get A ki power 5 into R ki power 10, and this can be written as AR square ki power 5. Thus, we know AR square is 4, so the answer will come out to be 4 ki power 5. Thus, this is how we can calculate the product of first 5 terms by applying the formula of general term of the GP. Next question is, if the fourth and ninth term of the GP is 54 and 13,122 respectively, so we have to find the GP. Fourth term, that is A4, which is 54, and ninth term, that is A9, which is 13122. So what we will do over here, A4 divided by A9, thus we will get over here 54 by 13122. A4 can be written as A ki power 3 and AR ki power A9 can be written as AR ki power 8. 54 upon 1312 can be written as 241 upon 243. So thus when we will solve it, we will get R ki power 5 is 243. So 243 can be written as 3 ki power 5. Thus the value of R will be 3. Now as we have come to know the value of R, putting this value of R in first equation, that is AR ki power 3 is 54. So A into 3 ki power 3 is 54. The value of A will come out to be 54 divided by 27, which is 2. So now we have to calculate, we have to find the GP. As we know, GP is AR square, AR cube, AR ki power 4. A is 2, 2 into 3 square, 3 square 9, 9 into 2 will be 18. Similarly, second term will be 2 into 3 because 3 ki power 1 only. Second term will be 6. Third term will be 3 ka square, 9 into first term 18, and so on. So this is the GP, that is 2, 6, 18. So the next question is, find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which third term is greater than the first by 9 and second term is greater than the fourth by 18. We have to find 4 terms. So we will assume 4 terms will be A, AR, AR square and AR cube. Now they have given this third term. Third term is greater than the first term by 9, that is AR square is A plus 9. Similarly, we are provided with second term. So, second term is AR. AR is greater, second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. That is, AR will be written as AR cube by 18, that is plus 18. So, now shifting the A and R terms to this side, we will get AR square minus A is equals to 9. Similarly, over here we will get AR minus AR cube is 18. This is first equation and this is second equation, dividing first and second. So, we will take A common from here. So, we will get R square minus 1. Similarly, from here we will take A common, AR will take common, so we will get 1 minus R square. A and A will be cancelled out. 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. This will come out to be 1 by 2. Now, when we will cross multiply it, we will solve it, and on solving we will get R is equals to minus 2. So, putting the value of R minus 2 over here in this equation, thus A into R square minus 1 is 9. So, A into R square is 4, 4 minus 1, it will be 3. So, the value of A will be 3. Now, since we have to calculate 4 numbers which are formed in the AP, so first term will be 3, second term will be 3 into A into R, 3 into minus 2 which is 6, third term will be 3 into minus 2 square which is 12, fourth term will be 3 into minus 2 cube which is minus 24. And this is how we can calculate the 4 numbers which are forming a geometric progression. So, in this video we have learnt what is geometric progression and how can we find the general term of the GP. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.